Okay, welcome back. I'm happy to have you back again. I just received some beautiful. You have been improving a lot using the lines in the notebook. Okay, but now we are going to begin with our science class. Well, I received some of the pictures of the sculptures that you made, and they are beautiful. I just love them. I haven't received all of them, but I hope so during this week I will receive all of them. I know I will I will have them. Um, you use a lot of creativity using those beautiful things that you made. I saw a paper doll. Well, not a paper doll. What I saw was a dress for a Barbie. I saw a robot. I saw. Well, I don't remember all of them, but what I received, I have all the pictures in my computer, and I just gave the the feedback to your parents, and I found beautiful things. Okay, so today we are going to review the materials vocabulary that we are using during this time. So, vocabulary materials. Oh, that letter is awful. Okay, so we have Felipe. Oh, here we have many, many. So join us in during the class. Excellent. I have let me see. I have Jerónimo. I have Mariana. I have Juan Felipe. Um, David. Juan Diego. I'm sorry. I saw father's name, but it's Juan Diego. I'm sorry, Juan Diego. Okay, so let's begin. I have some flashcards for the vocabulary that we have. So the first one that I have here is what is plastic. So I want you to repeat plastic. And we are going to name something that is made of plastic. What can you remember is made of plastic? Okay, here I have the word plastic. Remember? Plastic. Here I'm going to paste it right there. Plastic. And I can make a sentence with plastic. My doll is made of plastic. And here I have a, a real object made of plastic. That is a spoon. That's right, a spoon. So we're going to describe the spoon. The spoon is made of plastic and is white because we have to do the sentence with all the objects and try to say something about that object. So I'm going to paste the spoon under the word plastic. But you can name something made of plastic. Now, the next word that we have is paper. Let's repeat paper. Okay, we use paper in many things. For example, I wrote the word on a paper. Yes? Yes. And I'm going to paste again the word, the flashcard with the word paper. Now I have yes, I have many papers right here. Like, for example, this is a paper. Oops, where is the paper? I lose my paper. Here I have a paper and I am going to paste it under the word paper. Let's cut it because it's too big. So I really don't need a big piece of paper. Okay, so this is the word. Here I have an example of paper. Okay. Then the next word is, oh, by the way, you can name something that is made of paper. For example, the notebook. Our books are school books. What else can we name? The flashcards that I'm using for the activity. Okay. Now we have the next word that we are going to practice or review is leather. Leather. Do you all know what is the meaning of leather? Maybe not, or maybe. Let's see if who can name something that is made. Just name it to your mom or to your dad. Okay, so we have leather. Leather. Okay, here I have, I just paste the word leather. And what is made of leather? Okay, I have here your mother. Maybe you can find out what I'm going to tell you. Your mother uses, your father uses, you use it in the day that we are using the uniform, and it's something to hold our pants. What is it? Good. It is the belt. I have here a belt. This is made of leather. Leather. Okay? So I'm going to paste the leather, the belt made of leather under the word. And I can say something about this belt. Okay. That belt is made of leather and is green and is very long. It's long. Now we have another word that is wood. Wood. What is it? Wood. Okay. Ay, I just find David Martínez, miss, te extraño. Soy Juan Diego. Me too. I really miss you, all of you. I'm really sad. Okay, now we are going to put our word wood. I'm gonna paste it on my homemade whiteboard. Okay, let's see. Yes, we can see the word and the wood. Trees, bed, tables, they are made of wood. I have here something that is something we use in the kitchen and is hard. I don't know how I am going to paste this because this is too heavy for this. But anyway, I'm gonna try because you know that we know our word that our magical word is, oh yeah, I hold it. Okay, so we are going to review. We have plastic, paper, leather, and wood. The next one that we have is the metal. Metal. Okay. The silverware is made of metal. The, the silverware, the spoon, the fork, the knife, scissors are made of metal too. Now I'm going to paste our word metal. And I'm going to paste the word right there and the scissors that are made of metal. Be careful with the scissors. Be careful. Okay, here we go. So excellent. So we have the plastic, paper, leather, wood, metal. Now I have two more words that we are going to review. So it is the fabric or cloth. Here we have the word fabric or cloth. This we can use both names to name something made of fabric or made of cloth. This is they made us our clothes. Like, for example, here I have one animal print that it was from my daughter. That you know that she's not living here in Colombia anymore. So here we have the word fabric or cloth. I'm going to paste the word. Let's see how I am going to move my computer so everybody can see all the words, so you all can see the words. Okay, fabric. Yep, you can see it now. I am going to paste the piece of, because that's a piece and it's white and black. I'm going to paste the little piece of the cloth or, okay, excellent. Good. Now we have one more, but I don't have. I have the last word that is glass. What is it? Glass. What is made of glass? Do you know? If you want, you can write it down in the chat, so I will know. Here I have the word, but when we drink juice, water, I pick up my glass, and that is made of glass, and it's hard. But I cannot paste my glass I cannot paste the glass on, right there on the. So, let's review. I want you to pick up plastic, paper, leather, wood, metal, fabric or cloth, and glass. Now, you know that when we are doing a science activity, we use our notebook of the squares. So I want you to go and pick up your science notebook, that is science, math. So you're going to find a page, the last one that you use, remember, that you find the last page that you work on, and then you go to the next page and the words that I just named, that I gave you. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes so you can pick up or organize your space and pick up the pencil, your colors. I suppose everybody has everything ready. But anyway, I'm going to give you 5 minutes so you can organize you. I miss. I miss. Okay, so we're ready? So, so let's begin. Remember, when we are using our science notebook, remember that we have to point, jump, point, jump, point, jump. I'm going to make the small notebook, a paper of the small. And we have the squares, so we can remember. So let's remember that we make point, jump, point, jump, point, jump, up to the end of paper. So let's oh, here we have a okay, I'm going to repeat. Is everything okay? Yes? Well, I have my things on going on. I don't know what's going on with the line. Okay, I'm going to repeat because some of your parents lost the line. So we are going to go to our notebook, the science notebook, and you are going to go to the last activity you did in that notebook. That is the one that has squares, and you're going to find the last paper. You turn your page, and then we are going to begin. The first thing that you are going to do is to put the dot and jump, dot and jump. You all know what we have to do because we have been. So let's begin. Point, jump, point, jump, point, jump, up to the end of the paper. Yes? Okay. So where I have dot is where I write down. And the first word that we are going to write down is date. Because always we begin our activities writing date and theme. So we all know what we're doing and in which day we are working. Okay, so the first one that you're going to write down is date. I'm going to write it down here. Date. In the next one, I don't write because I don't have a point or a dot. So I go to the next dot and I write down theme. We all know which one is the date, yes? So today is March 31st. Let me see because I don't know what's going on here. So, date, March 31st, 2020. So I'm going to write down with another color so it will be easier for you to see. March. Let's use the red one. March 31st, 20. Okay. Yes? Now we go to the next dot and we're going to write down the word theme. 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 Materials, vocabulary. That's right. So, materials, vocabulary. If you want, I can